Every journey starts with one step. Every language starts with one sentence. Think about, think over.
Wow, just look at that waterfall.
I didn't think it would be this stunning.
Whoa, it's so much bigger than I expected.
Yeah, it's way more impressive than I thought.
Really? What did you think it would look like?
Honestly, I was thinking it would be just a tiny stream.
Same here.
I mean, who would expect something this big, right off the main road?
Yeah, exactly. When I think of waterfalls, I usually picture something in a jungle.
True, it's so gorgeous.
Do you want to try that trail later?
Maybe. Where does it go?
They say there's a lookout point.
I'll have to think about it. Not sure my knees would agree with me today.
Fair enough. I was thinking to myself, if we slip, we're both going home in casts.
Oh my God, don't even joke about that. But yeah, I think you might be right. Better safe than sorry.
So, what do you think now?
You decide.
Maybe let's just stay down here and enjoy the view.
Haha, now you're talking.
Who needs to risk a twisted ankle on vacation, right?
I think that's the smartest thing you've said all day. Review the forms of think in this dialogue. Think of pops into mind. When I think of waterfalls, I usually picture something in a jungle. Think about, reflect on. I'll have to think about it. Think to myself. Keep in mind, I was thinking to myself, if we slip, we're both going home in casts. Think it would. Guess I didn't think it would be this stunning. What did you think it would answer with? What did you think it would look like? Now, let's practice together. What do you think about this sentence? Brian was thinking to himself, is this waterfall really bigger than I thought?